The noise transmitting across the whole of this RSJ.
I'm worried about that RSJ.
So we've uncovered the steel RSJ, which is running into the party wall, which has allowed this open plan kitchen extension. But this is a hollow void running all the way through, and the noise is shooting all the way across that RSJ.
Do you know what an RSJ is? It's a rolled steel joist.
What?
A rolled steel joist.
Rolled steel joist.
No, not joist. It's not it's a joist. A joist.
Joist.
A rolled steel joist.
Up here we have this dot and dab technique again, which is again amplifying the noise. And here we've got an even bigger void that we found on the extension wall down there.
I'm worried about that RSJ.